Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you how BypassHire works and how easy it is to use for screening candidates. Let's dive right in. This is the login page. I've already pre-filled the details, so let's go ahead and log into the application. We're in. Excellent. What you're seeing here is the dashboard, but we'll come back to that later. Let's get straight to the reports. If you've ever dealt with a recruitment agency, you know the drill. There are phone calls, then more emails, and that is only if someone actually replies. When you finally get details about the candidates, it is usually pretty vague or sounds almost the same as the other 5 you got. You do not really know anything useful until you speak to them yourself. If that sounds familiar, stay with me. The real power of BypassHire is all about simplicity and speed. Screening candidates is super easy, and you do not need to make any phone calls or send a bunch of emails. As soon as someone applies, their application shows up here. This one is already processed, which means the system reviewed the CV, assessed the answers, compared everything to your job ad, and created the full report. Normally, contact details stay locked until you choose to unlock the report, but since this one is already unlocked, you can now reach out directly. No delays, no middlemen. We will go over how unlocking works and how pricing fits in later in the video. When a new application comes in, you just click to start the process. That is the only manual step. From there, BypassHire takes over, automatically reviewing the candidate's CV and answers, and generating the full report for you. If you take a look at the messaging under the loader, you might notice the system doing all sorts of strange things. Maybe it is feeding the hamsters, brewing coffee, or trying to recalculate the meaning of life. Anything to get you that report. It only takes a moment, and when it is done, your report appears right here, ready to review. You only process what you want when you want, so you stay in control and only pay for what you actually use. Now let's move to the final thing, a super simple way to keep track of how many resources you have used. This is the page where you keep track of everything you use with BypassHire. Here's how it works. To get started, you simply choose a package. Each package includes 2 things, processing allowance and credits. Processing allowance is what you spend to generate an AI report for each application. Credits are what you use if you want to unlock contact details for someone you are interested in. For example, with the Cygnus package for £249, you get enough processing allowance for 50 reports and 10 credits to unlock details for 10 people. If you run out, you can buy more at any time. And when you first sign up, you get 8 credits and 10 processing allowance units completely free, so you can test everything risk-free and see how it works before you pay. Now, here's how this compares to a regular recruitment agency. Agencies usually charge from 5 to 30% of a candidate's yearly salary just for finding someone. So if you hire someone earning £50,000 a year, an agency might charge you anywhere from £2,500 up to £15,000 for a single hire. With BypassHire, you pay only £249 for the Cygnus package, and in theory, you could hire up to 10 people with that one package. That means if a hire does not work out, your loss is only a small fixed cost instead of thousands in agency fees and wasted time. No extra fees, no surprises, and you are always in control of what you use. It is simple, clear, and designed to save you thousands. And that's it. BypassHire makes hiring simple, clear, and affordable. No hidden fees, no surprises, and you are always in control. If you like saving money and want to take the hassle out of hiring, sign up now for your free trial and see how easy it can be. Thanks for watching.